Reselling in 2024 is way too easy. I made almost $2,000 this week by reselling these AirPods. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step blueprint on how you can kickstart your reselling business from $0 to $10,000. We'll cover everything from sourcing products to scaling your operations. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content. So let's get into it. First off, reselling in 2025 is more competitive than ever, but with the right approach, it remains a highly lucrative business model. But the key to success lies in understanding market demands. You want to identify profitable niches and stay ahead of trends. So first, you have to choose a niche, whether you want to resell hoodies, shorts, AirPods, phones, etc. To do this, you're going to need a vendor. A vendor is basically a supplier that manufactures the product and ships it to you for cheap so that you can make a profit. Luckily, I've already done the hard part for you, and I'm offering my one-for-one vendors on my website, reselling.com, in the description. With these vendors, I'm getting spider hoodies for $23 and selling them for $100 to $200 each. That's a 5 to 10x on your initial investment of $23. And my AirPods vendor also offers similar profits, so I'd highly recommend copying my vendor links to get started with reselling. After you've got a quality one-for-one vendor, you're going to want to go ahead and communicate with them on either Alibaba or WhatsApp. You want to tell them what product you want to buy and the amount, and make sure to ask for a price breakdown so that you know exactly what you're charging and that they aren't willing and adding any hidden fees. So be aware of the shipping costs and the delivery time for the vendor. My vendors on my website usually ship within 5 to 7 days, so I'm able to make $1K a week easily. Once you've received your products, you're going to list them on marketplace apps such as Mercari, Depop, OfferUp, Grailed, Poshmark, Vinted, etc. Subscribe if you want me to make another video to show you how to make a good listing, as that's a whole different topic as to how these sites work. But if you're wondering why I didn't say eBay, it's because eBay has a software that will take down your listings if there's an oversaturated reselling product. Your account will likely get banned, and you can even get in trouble if you're not selling as reps. So I would stay away from eBay. But don't overlook the power of social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook Marketplace, because they allow you to build a brand and connect directly with customers. Make sure to list items as rep, as selling as real is illegal and not recommended. On platforms like Facebook Marketplace and others, make sure to list your items as like, new, and used, and not brand new, as your listing might get taken down. Marketing is what will truly set your reselling business apart. As for marketing, develop a strong online presence by engaging with your audience on social media, utilizing SEO practices on your listings, and considering paid ads to increase visibility. Create content that adds value, such as tutorials on how to use the products, unboxing videos, or customer testimonials. You're also going to want to sell locally as well. The reason for this is because when you sell at a meetup, you get 100% profit, meaning you aren't paying fees like shipping or taxes for online selling. This is a great way to get started as you maximize your profits. What I recommend is to post your products on Snapchat and Instagram, selling locally to people in your area or at school, and then reinvest any of that money back into buying more bulk orders or scale to 5 to even 10K a month doing this. One thing I want to touch on is scaling and reselling. My vendors allow you to buy spider hoodies for $23 each, and you can sell one hoodie for $100. With that $100, I can buy 5 more hoodies. If I sell those 5 hoodies, I get $500. Then I can buy 21 hoodies that I can sell for 2.1K. So you see how reselling has a crazy scaling potential in this way. If you follow my guide and have my vendors, you can scale just like this as well. Once you get this much inventory, you want to start looking for bulk buyers. I reach out to people on OfferUp and other marketplaces who look like they are reselling and ask if they are interested in a US-based supplier that can ship within 3 days. This will be much better in comparison to the Chinese vendor that ships in 14 days. Once you have a few bulk buyers, you can then fulfill bulk orders without having to worry about things like getting online sales, meetups, or buyers who aren't aware that they're reps. This minimizes your risk and maximizes your profit and efficiency. As you scale this way, efficient management of inventory and logistics is a critical part of your business as it grows. I would invest in good storage solutions and consider using a software to keep track of your inventory. What I recommend is investing in a storage unit that can triple as your office, fulfillment center, and storage unit. And then I would recommend using Excel to keep track of inventory and profit, accounting for what you paid and the profit you made on each product to track your growth and revenue. Ensure your shipping process is streamlined to get orders out quickly and provide excellent customer service to encourage repeat business and get positive reviews. When done right, reselling is a money glitch that can make you over 5K passive income a month. By carefully selecting high demand products, sourcing reliable one-for-one vendors, and strategically utilizing both online and local marketplaces, you can rapidly accelerate your business growth. The key to reselling isn't just about finding cheap products, it's about providing value, understanding your market, and continuously adapting to changes. Your journey from 0 to 10,000 through reselling can be thrilling and profitable, but only if you follow the steps outlined today. Start with the right products. Use my vendors in the link below to get access to one-for-one vendors. Market them effectively across various platforms and reinvest your profits wisely into more bulk orders. And most importantly, maintain transparency with your customers about products being replicas to build trust and ensure compliance with marketplace standards. As you continue to grow, focus on scaling up and seeking out bulk buyers to optimize your logistics and inventory management, as well as your sales. This strategic approach will not only streamline your operations, but also maximize your profitability and efficiency.